Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make gelato without an ice cream maker. First, you'll need to gather your ingredients, focusing on fresh, high-quality milk, cream, and sugar. Next, gently heat your base mixture on the stovetop, stirring until the sugar fully dissolves and the mixture slightly thickens. This step is crucial for a smooth texture. After cooking, ensure the base is completely chilled, ideally for at least 4 hours, before moving to the next stage. Once your gelato base is perfectly chilled, pour it into a shallow, freezer-safe container. Place it in the freezer for about 30 minutes. After this initial freeze, remove the container and whisk the mixture vigorously to break up ice crystals. You'll need to repeat this whisking process every 30 minutes for the next 2 to 3 hours. This consistent agitation is key to achieving that signature creamy, smooth gelato texture without a machine. Keep whisking your gelato every 30 minutes until it reaches a consistency similar to soft-serve ice cream. It should be firm enough to hold its shape, but still pliable, not rock solid. This indicates you've successfully incorporated enough air and prevented large ice crystals. Once it's perfect, transfer your homemade gelato to an airtight container. This will help maintain its delightful texture and freshness when stored in the freezer. Now for the fun part, experimenting with flavors. You can add vanilla bean paste, rich cocoa powder, or fresh fruit purees to your base before chilling. Remember, homemade gelato is best enjoyed within 3 to 5 days for optimal freshness and texture. For a truly smooth experience, let it sit out for a few minutes before serving. Also, for an effortless clean, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.